How to layer videos in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to layer videos in CapCut. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on New Video to start editing. And now here on the next page, simply select the video that you want to add as a main background, and here once you have selected it, you can just tap on add, and once you do it, it will appear on the main timeline. Now here, once you're done with that, what you can do is simply swipe through the option at the bottom and tap on overlay. Now here, just tap on add overlay, and here on the next page, simply select the video that you want to layer on the top. So here, once you're done selecting it, you can just tap on add, and once you do that, now your second video will appear on or over the main video. Now here you can just tap on the overlaid video and resize it. You can move it with your fingers. You can place it anywhere on the screen to create a split screen effects. You can position it creatively. You can use options like opacity, animation, effects. And here, once you are happy with your edits, you can just tap on export button, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And that's it. That's how you can layer videos and add overlay in CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.